how to connect Antigravity to Firebase. So, letting an autonomous multi-agent framework like Antigravity orchestrate your software builds without a persistent backend layer means your user data vanishes the millisecond your serverless environments turn off. So in this video, we will ship real production-ready applications and connecting Antigravity directly to Firebase. So just open up your Firebase console dashboard and click the gear icon next to the project overview. So go to Settings, then go to General, and scroll down to the Your Apps card block. Click on Web App Icon Token and name your Register App wrapper. And Firebase will immediately output your complete JSON containing your unique API key, or the domain and project ID strings. So just copy all of that to your clipboard. And you can log this configuration straight into your local environment tree. Open your project terminal. We need to export these parameters as environment tokens, so Antigravity's autonomous subagents can initialize the Firebase SDK. And then just input this command and save the states. Now you just feed your agent manager a direct structural instruction, something like this. So anchoring your autonomous creation tools to Firebase's global serverless backbone creates an instantaneous, secure data perimeter that keeps your applications persistent and production ready. Hopefully this was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe.